Hello everyone, myself Surisetty Madhuri, bearing roll number 19BQ1A04E8. Today I am here to present a topic on radar engineering. My topic is duplexer. First of all, what is duplexer? Duplexer is the device that switches the radar antenna to either transmitter or the receiver, so as to protect the receiver from burnout or damage during the transition. This is the branch type duplexer. The branch type duplexer is shown in the figure. The branch type duplexer is shown in the figure is one of the earliest duplexer configurations. It consists of a transmitter, receiver, switch and an antenna transmit receive switch, both of which are gas discharge tubes. When the transmitter is turned on, the transmit receiver and the anti-transmit receiver tubes ionize. That is, they break down on or fire. The transmit receiver in the fired condition acts as short circuit to prevent transmit power from entering the receiver. Since the transmitter is located a quarter half length from the main transmission line, it appears as a short circuit at the receiver, but as an open circuit at the transmission, so that it does not impede the flow of transmitted power. Since the anti-transmit receiver is displayed a quarter half length from the transmission line, the short circuit it produces the fired condition appear as open circuit on the transmission line. During reception, the transmitter is off and neither the transmit receiver nor the anti-transmit receiver is fired. The open circuit of the anti-transmit receiver, being a quarter wave, forms the transmission line, appears as the short circuit. Since this short circuit is located at the quarter wave from the receiver branch line, the transmitter is effectively disconnected from the line and the echo signal power is directed to the receiver. The branch type detector is of limited bandwidth and power handling capability and has generally replaced by the balanced duplexer and other protection devices. It is used of these limitations in some low-cost radars. And next, balanced duplexer. The balanced duplexer is based on the short slot hybrid junction, which consists of two sections of waveguide joined along one of the narrow walls, with slot cut in the common narrow wall to provide coupling between the two. The short slot hybrid may be considered as band directional coupler with a coupling ratio of 3 dB. In the transmit condition, power is divided equally into each wavelength by the short slot hybrid junction. Both transmit and receiver tubes break down and reflect the incident power of the antenna is shown in the figure. The short slot hybrid has a property: each of the energy is passes through the slot in either direction. Its phase is advanced 90 degrees. Therefore, the energy is indicated by the solid lines. Any energy which leaks through the TR tubes is directed to the arm with the matched dummy load and not to the receiver, in addition to the attenuation provided by the transmitter receiver tubes. The hybrid junctions provides a additional 20 to 30 dB of isolation. One reception, the transmit receiver tubes are unfired and the echo signal passes through the duplexer and into the receiver as shown in figure. The power splits equally at the first junction, and because of the 90 degrees advance on passing through the slot, the energy recombines in the receiving arm and not in the dummy load arm. The power handling capability of the balanced duplexer is inherently greater than that of the branch type duplexer, and it has wide bandwidth, over 10% with proper design. A receiver protector is usually inserted between the duplexer and receiver for added protection.